content!
My fidget spinner came in the mail today. I'm wearing a fidget spinner for a while now. I was fidgeting with it for about 30 seconds now, and I'm like, man, I gotta make a YouTube video today. So I'm gonna do top 10 ways to destroy your fidget spinner. Exhaust pipe. I feel like this would do some damage to the fidget. The fidget took some damage. I'll show you in the light. It got some scratches on the piece you hold it with. Well, that's pretty cool. So let's try to test it out with some more things. I realize the lighting's really bad. Okay, so I don't know what this thing looks, but it looks, I don't know what this thing is, but it looks intimidating. So let's try to destroy the fidget spinner some more. That didn't really do anything to the fidget. Alright, let's go on to trial number 3. For trial number 3, it's going to be brute force. So I'm going to put the camera on the ground and just try to slam it. Recording when the most damage happened, but I slammed it on the ground and these other pieces came off. So let's keep hammering it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put it back together with the other pieces. Dang it, it survived. I know we're only on like trial 4 or 5, but I didn't think I had to bring out the big guns. This is a CO2 powered Colt 45 revolver. It's not real. That's a disclaimer. I'll prove it to you. Those are BBs, those aren't bullets. So yeah, but still gonna shoot it. I missed. Oh, I hit it. Oof, that hit me in the stomach. Let's see the damage. I'm actually surprised by this fidget. It took some bullet holes. My camera's really bad. It's 720p, so I can't really do that. It had like a dent in the piece, in like the finger piece, but that's about it. I found a bullet right here, and I also found another BB gun that I have laying around. So let's see if this rifle can penetrate the fidget spinner. Everything's in place, so let's try it. Hopefully I don't miss, because I only have one bullet. Pretty sure I missed. So let's go to trial number 6, I'm hoping. I brought out my lawnmower. I'm gonna mow over my fidget spinner. So let's fidget. The fidget spinner survived. Let's use a shovel, because I'm running out of ideas. Okay, that shovel did a lot of damage, but does it still fidget? Oh, it still fidgets, crap. For the next 3 or 2 trials, we're just gonna slam it on the floor again. Well, trash bag, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, please. And if you want me to do more fidget spinner videos, I will. I have 3 more coming in the mail that I might want to blow up soon. But fidget spinners these days are pretty tough.